Almost everyone trying to make money with AI right now is doing it completely wrong. They download 20 tools, they watch 100 videos, they generate 1,000 images, and they make exactly $0. Because they're chasing the wrong thing. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the actual, boring, step-by-step path to your first $1,000 with AI, starting from zero, no audience, no skills, no budget. And once you see it, you won't be able to unsee it. This is the part nobody explains, because just use AI gets the views, and here's the real work doesn't. So let's start by killing the biggest myth of all. AI does not make money. Read that again. AI makes $0 on its own. Selling something makes money. AI is just the most powerful lever in history for one person to do the work that used to take a whole team. So if you don't have something to sell, and someone to sell it to, the fanciest AI on earth is just an expensive toy. Every single person making real money with AI is really doing one ancient, unglamorous thing: solving a problem someone will pay for, just faster, cheaper, and alone. Lock that in, because everything else we do today hangs off it. Okay, there are 3 ways a beginner can actually turn AI into that first $1,000, and I'm going to rank them by how fast they work. Model 1, sell a digital product. Model 2, sell a service. Model 3, build an audience and monetize it later. Now, Model 3, the faceless channel, the big following. That's real and it's powerful, but it's slow. It can take months before the first dollar. So today we're going to focus on the 2 that can get you paid this week: a product or a service. Let's talk services first, because it's the fastest money on the planet. Here's the whole idea. Businesses have problems. AI now solves those problems in minutes, and most business owners have no clue how to use it. You are the bridge. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of your customer. Think about what AI is genuinely good at right now. Writing. So, social media posts, email newsletters, product descriptions, ad copy. Design. Logos, thumbnails, simple graphics. Video. Short clips, faceless content, ads. And automation. Connecting a business's apps so boring tasks run themselves. Pick one. Just one. A local gym, a plumber, a restaurant, a coach. They will happily pay a few $100s a month for someone to run their social media or their emails. And with AI, that's an hour of your day, not a full-time job. 2 clients at $250 a month, and you've blown past your first 1,000. That's it. That's the math. Now Model 1, the digital product, because this is the one that can pay you while you sleep. A digital product is something you make once and sell 1,000 times. A template pack, a Notion planner, a set of prompts, a mini course, an ebook, a bundle of presets. AI can help you build the entire thing in a weekend. The dream, right? But here's the catch nobody warns you about, so listen closely. A digital product is only easy to sell if you already have people to sell it to. With no audience, you're shouting into an empty room. So if you're truly starting from zero, my honest advice is, start with a service to get cash and confidence now, and build a small digital product on the side. Use the momentum from one to fund the other. But whichever you pick, a service or a product, you immediately hit the same wall. Where do people actually pay you? How do you take the money, deliver the thing, and follow up? You need a home base on the internet, a simple page that shows your offer, a way to collect payment, and a list to capture the people interested. And for a beginner, cobbling that together from 5 different paid tools is exactly where most people quit. So here's what I personally use to skip all of that. A free platform called System.io. And I mean genuinely free. Not free trial, free forever. In one place, you can build a clean landing page for your offer, take payments, sell your digital product, and collect emails so you can follow up with people who didn't buy the first time. No coding, no 5 separate subscriptions, no monthly bill eating your first sales. You literally sign up, Build a one-page offer in an afternoon, drop the link wherever your customers are, and you're open for business. The link is in the description, and starting there costs you nothing. For a beginner, removing the "where do I even put this" problem is the difference between starting this week and never starting at all. All right, you've got an offer and a place to sell it. Now the step everyone skips and then wonders why they made no money. Getting your first customers. Nobody is going to magically find you. You have to go to where they already are. So, 3 ways to get those first few sales today for free. 1. Communities. Facebook groups, Reddit, Discord servers, local business groups, full of people with the exact problem you solve. Don't spam. Be helpful, answer questions, and let people ask what you do. 2. Direct outreach. Make a list of 20 small local businesses, look at their sad, empty social media, and send a short, friendly message showing them one specific thing you'd fix. 20 messages will get you a client. And 3. Post proof. Show the before and after of what your AI workflow can do. You don't need 1 million followers. You need 3 people to see it and think, I need that. Then you close the loop. Deliver the work, and this is where AI finally earns its keep, doing in an hour what used to take a day. Do it well. Then ask for one thing, a testimonial. That first happy customer saying, "This person is great," is worth more than any ad because it makes the next sale easy. Then you raise your price a little and you do it again. Client 1 is the hardest thing you will ever do in this business. Client 2 is easier. By client 5, you'll wonder why you ever thought it was hard. Now, let me save you from the 4 mistakes that keep beginners stuck at 0. Mistake 1. Collecting tools instead of customers. Another AI subscription is not progress. A paying client is. Mistake 2. Perfectionism. Spending a month polishing a product nobody has asked to buy. Sell it first, build it second. Mistake 3. No distribution. A great offer that no one sees makes exactly nothing. 90% of your energy should go into getting in front of people. And mistake 4. Pricing yourself like you're worthless. You're not selling your time, you're selling a solved problem. Charge for the result, not the hour. And here's the mindset that changes everything. Your first $1,000 is not really about the money. $1,000 won't change your life, but it is the single most important proof you will ever collect. Proof that a stranger will pay you, that the loop works, that you can create value out of thin air with these tools. Once you've done it once, you can do it on purpose. You can do it bigger. The first 1,000 is a door, and almost nobody walks through it, because they're still busy downloading their 21st AI tool. You're not going to be one of them. So here's your move this week. Pick one skill AI makes you fast at. Wrap it into one simple offer, a service to start. Put it on one free page you can send people to. Then go get in front of 20 potential customers, by hand, today. That is the entire path to your first $1,000, and there is nothing stopping you from starting the moment this video ends. If this finally made making money with AI feel real and concrete instead of hypey and vague, subscribe. Because the next video shows you how to turn this into a content machine that brings the customers to you automatically while you sleep. I'll see you there.